Hooray, play! Can all the My Little Ponies that would like to get involved in the cake bake-off competition come over here, please? Princess Celestia, it's Twilight Sparkle. I'd love to get involved in the cake bake-off competition. I love baking. Me too. I want to get involved too. Mummy, 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 mummy. It's Twilight Sparklier. Can Twilight Sparklier join in, mummy, mummy, mummy? Of course you can, Twilight Sparklier. You can help me make a cake. Yay! Hi guys, can Rainbow Dasher get involved too? I love baking. Of course you can, Rainbow Dasher. You can join my team. Thank you, Fluttershy. Okay, we'll have two teams. We'll have Twilight Sparkle and Twilight Sparklier, and we'll have Fluttershy and Rainbow Dasher. Fluttershy and Rainbow Dasher, your team 2, and Twilight Sparklier and Twilight Sparkle, your team 1. Let the baking commence. Okay, Twilight Sparklier, we've only got 5 minutes to bake a brilliant cake. Let's get started. Okay, Mummy, what do we need first? Definitely we'll start with the butter. Let's put some butter in first. I'll just get the butter out the fridge. Here it is. Nice block of butter. Put that up there and something to scoop the butter out with. There we go. This fork will be perfect. Scoop out that butter. I've got it here and pop it into the pan. Yes, perfect, Twilight Sparklier. Just stir up that butter. What comes next? Next, we need the sugar. Okay, sugar. I'll get the sugar. I'll get the sugar, Mom. Here we go. Let's get that sugar and pour that sugar in. Oh, lovely. Look at that lovely sugar. Yeah, I'm going to mix that up, Mom. Get my fork and give that a lovely mix. Mixy, 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 mixy. Okay, Mom, I've mixed the butter and sugar. What's next? Okay, Twilight Sparklier. Next, we need the eggs. Oh, my favourite part. I definitely want to crack the eggs in. Okay, I'll go get the eggs. Okay, back down to the fridge for an egg. Perfect. 1 egg in the fridge. Let's just bring that up and we're just going to crack that in. Crack the egg in. Yeah, what next, Mum? What next? Okay, last but not least, it's the flour. I'll go get the flour. Okay, just get the flour from the cupboard. There it is. Perfect. Just pop that up there and let's pour the flour in. Here we go. You ready, Mum? Pour. Yeah. Look, Mum, I made a brilliant mixture. Can you see? Oh, Twilight Sparklier, it's just perfect. Now you need to stir it up. Okay, I'm going to get my whisker from the cupboard. Here it is. Get my whisker. That's perfect. Okay, I'm going to do it on the fastest setting, Mum. It's really, really, really going to be fun. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, here goes. 1. I can't wait to see what they look like when they're cooked. What do you think they'll look like, Mum? Well, Twilight Sparklier, I think you've done a wonderful job. I think they're going to be just perfect. I think we're going to win the baking competition. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and we'll get the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, time to put that in the oven, Twilight Sparklier. Can you help me, Mum, because the oven's hot? Of course I can, Twilight Sparklier. Let's just open that oven door. Here it goes. And Twilight Sparklier, can you pass me the cupcake cases, please? Of course I can, Mum. Here it goes. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. There you go, Mum. You're welcome. Okay, let's put that in the oven. And then let's close that up. I think we are so going to win this competition. Let's close that up and turn that on to... How hot should we go at Twilight Sparklier? Medium, Mum. Okay, let's go to 150. On we go. And should we go play while we're waiting for them to cook? Yeah, okay. I wonder how they're getting on with their cupcake baking competition. I wonder who's going to win. Twilight Sparklier and her mum, Twilight Sparkle, or Fluttershy and Rainbow Dasher? Okay, Rainbow Dasher, how do you think we should make our cake? Well, I've got a really super idea, Fluttershy. I thought we could make a really fun, mixed up, colourful cake using lots of really random ingredients and see how it turns out. I think that will definitely win.
Are you sure, Rainbow Dasher? I'm not so sure. I think that might be a bit strange. Oh no, definitely. We should definitely do it. Definitely. Okay, I'll show you what I've got and then you can tell me what you think. Some things that I chopped up earlier. I've got a watermelon, a pear, some broccoli, some cucumber, some pepperoni, a carrot and some olives. I think that will make a really yummy cake. What do you think, Fluttershy? I'm not so sure, but I trust you, Rainbow Dasher. Thanks, Fluttershy. Okay, let's get mixing. All these things in here. Throw them all in, Fluttershy. There we go. Let's put the carrot and the watermelon and the olives. Yeah, I'm going to go get my mixer. Here we go. Mixy, yummy cakes. This is going to be the best cake ever, Fluttershy, don't you think? I'm not so sure, but let's just try it anyway. Okay, I think it's ready to go in the oven. I'll go get a pan. Okay, here we are. Here's the pan. Let's just put all of that lovely stuff in there. And then, Fluttershy, can you help me put this in the oven? Of course I can, Rainbow Dasher. Okay, I'll carry it down. Oh, it's heavy. Flap. Ah! It's really heavy, Fluttershy. I need some help. Okay, here I come, Rainbow Dasher. Flap. Let's pick up all these things and put them back in. Otherwise, our cake might not turn out right. Okay, thank you, Fluttershy. Can you help me put it in now? I'll open the door and then you put it in, Fluttershy. Okay, Rainbow Dasher. Here goes. Let's put it in. Close the door. And let's turn it on. Let's see. Let's pop this around here and around here and around here. And we'll come back when it's ready, Rainbow Dasher. Okay, Fluttershy, should we go play some games while we're waiting? I know, let's play who can fly fastest. Whoosh! Twilight Sparklier, I think our cakes are ready. Beep. Yay! Can we have a look through the window? Oh, my goodness, I can't wait to open the door. Mummy, can I help you open the door? I will do it, Twilight Sparklier, because this is very hot. Stand back, Twilight Sparklier. Okay, flap. I'll just wait up here, Mum, next to where you're going to put them to cool down. And I will see them first. Okay, let's open the door. Wow! Twilight Sparklier, they're incredible. Let's bring them up. Here we go. And we dropped one. There we go. Let's have a look. Twilight Sparklier, let's see what we've got. Wow! Huh? What's this? A carrot? Where did this carrot come from? We didn't make any carrots. Oh, one of the cakes must have gone a bit wrong and turned into a carrot. That's so silly, but I don't think we could enter that into the competition. Would you like to eat it? Oh, yes, I'm a bit hungry. Hey, stop eating me. Ah, it's an alive carrot. Ah! Oh, let's get rid of that, Mum. That was scary. Okay, let's see what we've made. Oh, look. We've got a strawberry cake with chocolate on the bottom, vanilla in the middle and strawberry on top with some whipped cream and a lovely strawberry on top. That looks so yummy. I think that's going to do really well in the competition. Me too, Twilight Sparklier. I bet Fluttershy and Rainbow Dasher haven't made one that beautiful. Wow. Okay, what else do we have? Wow, look at this, Mum. This turned out perfect. It's a strawberry tart. Look, it's got a lovely pastry on the outside and it's got strawberry in the middle, Mum. And it's got cream and a strawberry on top. That looks so good. I think we're definitely going to win the competition with that one. Let's leave it to cool down. Fluttershy, do you think our cake has cooked yet? Should we take a look? It might do have done, Rainbow Dash. I think the beeper's about to go off. Beep. Oh, it has. Okay, I want to look through the window. Oh, my goodness, Fluttershy is amazing. My idea was perfect to mix and match with crazy ingredients. You have to look at this. Okay, Rainbow Dasher, I'll just open the door. It's very hot, so stand back. Here goes. Wow, Rainbow Dasher, look. Let's pop this up here to cool. I cannot believe that those crazy ingredients turned into the most perfect unicorn cake. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, we have made the best cake. We're definitely going to win the competition. It's an upside down ice cream cake. Oh, it's perfect. It's so beautiful. It's an ice cream cone on top, splattered ice cream with sprinkles, vanilla frosting and strawberry cake. Beautiful. Okay, my little ponies, it's time to judge your cakes for the cake competition. Oh my goodness, these look absolutely amazing. Fluttershy and Rainbow Dasher, Twilight Sparkle and Twilight Sparklier, you have done a beautiful job. Look at these wonderful cakes. They look good enough to eat. They are so good. Right, I'm going to be the taste tester. So first of all, Twilight Sparkles and Twilight Sparklier, please show me which cakes are yours. Okay, Princess Celestia, our cakes are strawberry tart and strawberry mousse cake. Which one would you like to try first? I think I'm going to go with the strawberry tart first. That's so good. Now let's try this one. Oh my goodness, they are absolutely delightful and the presentation is really beautiful. I love that you've used fruit on top. Well done, Twilight Sparkles and Twilight Sparklier. Okay, Fluttershy and Rainbow Dasher, is this your cake at the back? It looks amazing. I think I'm going to award the winning trophy to Fluttershy and Rainbow Dasher because their cake just looks that little bit extra special. Yay! I can't believe we won! We won! Let's have a little try of the winning cake. Oh, that was disgusting! What did you put in that cake? Oh my goodness, I feel a bit sick. I can taste lots of different weird flavors in there. I'm sorry, Fluttershy and Rainbow Dasher. I think I'm going to have to take your trophy away. It might have looked like the best cake, but it definitely didn't taste the best. Twilight Sparkles and Twilight Sparklier are our cake winners. Oh, well, I suppose it was a bit of a crazy experiment, but I would like to try the cake. Hey, I think that's delicious. What are you talking about? Try it, Twilight Sparklier. Okay. Oh, I can't taste it. It's so disgusting. Rainbow Dasher, what did you put in there? A little bit of this and a little bit of that. I think I'll just keep it for myself. Bye. Okay, that was a really fun bake-off, guys. But it's time to go back to Equestria now. Bye. Bye. If you want to watch more fantastic videos like this, subscribe now and you will find more coming up on our channel. Please subscribe today.